Hey, welcome back to CompareInternet.com. We're here to give you the straight talk on the best internet deals. Today, we're going to review Optimum, a top national provider of internet service. We'll go over availability, pricing, speeds, reliability, equipment, and customer experience. Let's start with Optimum's availability. Optimum is the 6th largest internet provider in the US, serving over 4 million customers. Optimum offers advanced cable internet as well as some all-fiber connections. So let's take a look at Optimum's pricing. For 2 years, Optimum will give you very low introductory prices. That 2-year price lock is very unusual. And that whole time, you will enjoy monthly prices that are $10 to $20 lower than most of the competition. Optimum also has no data caps, so you won't get any surprise monthly bills for going over a data limit. Looking at the whole cost, we give Optimum 4.25 stars for pricing. You're going to get an unusually great deal for a full 2 years. And if you bundle with mobile, you'll save even more. Next, let's explore what kind of reliability and performance you'll get from Optimum. Averaging their cable performance with their all-fiber network, we give a solid 4 stars for Optimum's internet performance. Optimum's cable internet service will give you gigabit download speeds, and your upload speeds will go up to around 50 megabits per second, which is great for most users. Optimum's all-fiber services are symmetrical, lightning-fast download and upload speeds. That makes a big difference for households that do a lot of streaming and gaming. Most of Optimum's all-fiber network is currently in the tri-state area of New York, New Jersey, and Connecticut. But rapid fiber build-out is occurring in other states too, right now. Now, let's move to Optimum's equipment and installation. Optimum makes life simple for you by providing you with a modem router that is included in your monthly plan fee. And you'll also get free standard installation with your Optimum plan. That is not common. So we give Optimum 4 stars for simplicity with its equipment and installation process. Our last rating category is customer experience and support. Optimum has an impressive array of support options. You can call customer service or chat with them online. You can also get help by email or social media, or you can even visit a brick and mortar store. With all these options, Optimum has a good track record of responding promptly to customer needs. So we award Optimum 4 stars for its customer support. Now let's recap with all the important facts on Optimum. Optimum's overall rating is a solid 4.1 stars. Optimum can give you gigabit download speeds with their cable internet, and they offer even faster all-fiber internet in select areas. Plus, you'll get no data caps and some excellent prices for 2 full years, far longer than most price locks from other providers. And that's the straight talk on Optimum. Come back and see us for more reviews and info here at CompareInternet.com. Visit us on our website. We have detailed plans and prices to help you find the best internet provider where you live. See you soon.